Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the foundation is solid. First, verify Garry's mod files in Steam so missing core files aren't the problem. Next, check mounts. Make sure Counter-Strike or Team Fortress content is mounted because textures and models often reside there. Then back up the map file, copy the BSB or VMF to a safe folder so you can revert if needed. Once done, open the console and load the map to observe the error messages you will fix next. Now you diagnose what exactly is missing. Open the developer console, load the map and watch for red error lines. These name missing models, materials, or add-on paths. Once you have the names, search your mounted games and the workshop for those assets. Subscribe or place the files into garrismod/add-ons as needed. If the error lists a material path, check the map's pack 01 dir or use GCFscape to extract textures. After installing assets, restart Garry's mod and reload the map to confirm progress. Finish by addressing geometry and persistent asset issues. Open the map in Hammer or use Garry's mod Fulbright to spot missing visuals, then fix leaks by sealing with world brushes and rebuilding cubemaps if skyboxes or reflections fail. Make sure detail props reference existing models and that portals are correct. Finally, if problems persist, clear the game cache, disable suspicious add-ons, and re-verify Steam files. This resolves most conflicts. One troubleshooting tip: reproduce the error on a clean install to isolate add-on-caused problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.